A slim and fashionable new watch from Casio. Let's check it out. Dave Taylor here, and I'm checking out this. This is the new Casio Edifice Slim EFR-S108D-2AV. They really don't have very friendly names, but it's a very friendly watch. It's a very simple analog watch that gives you 3 hands so you know what time it is, and it gives you the date, and that's it. No Bluetooth, no smart notifications, no altitude, no way of it analyzing your heartbeat. It's just a watch, and it's simple, and as you can see, it's very thin. In fact, it is 7.8 millimeters thin. So if you're used to wearing these big chunky smart watches like Pixel Watch or something, then this is remarkably slimmer. It is a stainless steel case with an octagonal bezel, but let me talk about it while I give you some close-ups. It's sporting a sapphire crystal with an anti-reflective coating. The dimensions are 44.8 millimeters by 39.9 millimeters by 7.8 millimeters thick, and it weighs 110 grams or 3.8 ounces. It's compatible with 150 to 205 millimeter bands, and it is water resistant to 10 bars. Now, am I the only one who doesn't understand what a bar is? It's an atmospheric pressure measurement, and why they use that as a way to measure watches, I don't know, but 10 bars is 100 meters. 100 meters is 328 feet, but it's water resistant. So if you're gonna go on a 300-foot deep dive, this probably isn't the watch you want. You probably want a dive watch, but it is good that you can swim with it, you can wear it in the shower, and you're gonna be fine. However, I did find that with a lot of watches, they tell you not to wear it in high humidity environments. So maybe having it on in the shower isn't such a great idea. Now, accuracy-wise, it is using the Casio module 5359, which gives it an accuracy of plus or minus 20 seconds a month. So over the course of a year, you'll probably have to adjust the time a couple of times, but that's really all you have to do. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put it on, and it's a little bit of a snug band for my wrist, so I have to sort of get it over my hand, but it's that standard 3-piece clasp, and it's a really smart looking watch, as you can see in this close-up. I really like it. It's just very simple. Now, I have the blue version, but there's also a gorgeous turquoise color for the back of the face too. And really, if you're in the market for a fashion-forward watch that's just sort of a classic traditional watch and sleek and elegant, then this Casio Edifice Slim EFR-S108D-2AV is one to check out. Now, we should talk about the price. And one of the challenges Casio has is there's a lot of counterfeit units out there. So if you see this on eBay for $69 or something, it's not a real Casio. So I recommend you go to Casio.com. And how much should you expect to pay for this? Well, let me take it off again. This Casio Edifice Slim EFR-S108D-2AV in blue or turquoise is $170 at Casio.com. And for a slim, elegant, and fashionable men's watch, and you don't have to be a guy to wear it, I don't mean that, this is actually a pretty solid price. So it's definitely a great addition to my collection, and I am going to put it back on my wrist, and I did have to take a couple of links out, but it fits beautifully, and there you go. That's all I got. I'll hope to catch you in my next video.